Simpro is one of the deeper field service platforms built for trade businesses, and electrical contractors usually feel that depth fast. It handles quoting, scheduling, inventory, and job costing in one system, but that power comes with complexity. By the end of this, you'll know if Simpro is the right fit for your electrical business or if it's more software than you need. Here's the direct answer. If you run a growing electrical company with multiple crews, inventory, and larger jobs, Simpro is a strong fit. If you're a solo electrician or small service team, it can feel heavy. Start with quoting and job costing. Electrical work often has tight margins. Labor, materials, and change orders can shift fast. Simpro keeps estimates tied directly to job costs. That gives you better visibility on profit. If you're quoting switchboards, rewires, lighting systems, or commercial fit-outs, that matters. Inventory is one of Simpro's biggest strengths. Electrical businesses carry a lot of parts. Breakers, cable, fittings, outlets, conduits, and panels add up quickly. Simpro tracks stock across warehouses and vehicles. That reduces over-ordering and missing materials. Scheduling is solid too. Office teams can assign electricians, move jobs around, and track progress live. That helps when emergency callouts happen. The mobile app is useful in the field. Techs can view job details, log time, add used materials, and update progress on site. That keeps billing accurate. Purchase orders and supplier management are strong. That matters for larger contractors managing high material volume. Reporting is another big plus. Simpro gives deeper visibility into margins, labor efficiency, and material usage. That helps owners make better decisions. Now, the downside. The learning curve is real. Simpro takes time to set up properly. For smaller teams, that setup can feel like a lot. Costs can also be harder to justify if your operation is simple. If most of your work is small residential service calls, simpler tools like Tratify or Jobber may be easier. Project management is strong, but it's built more for operational depth than pure construction workflows. That matters for larger commercial jobs. So is it worth it? For electrical contractors managing bigger teams, bigger stock, and more moving parts, yes. Simpro gives serious operational control. For smaller service-focused electricians, it may be too much. The three things to remember are simple. Simpro is strong on inventory, strong on job costing, and strong for scaling. The next step is to look at how much stock, labor, and project complexity you're actually managing every week. If this helped, hit like and subscribe.